Good morning, afternoon, evening, everyone. Welcome to my stream today. As the title says, we are going to do some learning. We're going to do some programming. We're going to do some coding. So today we are learning JavaScript. For anyone who doesn't know what JavaScript is, it's basically a back-end language for making a website. And today we're gonna learn that. I have actually learned JavaScript, but I decided to learn it from scratch again, even though I pretty much know at least almost everything about it. But it's okay. We're gonna learn it from scratch again. Anyway, welcome to my stream. Taryn Paul, I'm Jeff the Help Nose. How are you two? You two are, never surprises me with how fast you are. I'm gonna pet you, but I'm gonna run away. You can't pet me if you can't reach me. Okay, welcome. And as you can see, we got everything set up right now. We got Free Code Camp. Shout out to Free Code Camp. They are fucking amazing. Without them, I don't know how am I gonna learn programming at all. Belly rubs. You know, the same thing applies. If you cannot catch me, how can you pet me? You see? Okay, let's continue with this thing. It's today pretty much is gonna be a chill stream. It's not gonna be a very stressful stream because I don't do game dev today. And I actually gotta plan better for my game dev thing next time, because I feel that every time I stream game dev, my mind just went blank for some reason. I don't know, maybe it's because I don't really have a clear goal of what I want to achieve in that stream. That's because I don't know, it just makes my mind goes blank and I don't know what to do. Booty scratches. Stay away from me. God damn. Alright, let's see. JavaScript is the programming language that powers the web. Unlike HTML and CSS you have learned previously, JavaScript is most commonly used to write logic instead of markup. In this project, you will learn the basics of JavaScript and apply those concepts to building a pyramid generator. A pyramid generator is a program where you can set the type of character, the count for the pyramid, and the direction of the pyramid. The program will then create the pyramid based on those inputs. Check your code button to proceed to the next step. Okay. Maybe take a break from game dev and come back refreshed. It's honestly, I don't know. It's not because of a burnout. It's more of a, every time I stream it, I don't have like small goals that I wanted to attain. That's why I got pretty overwhelmed because I don't know what to do in that stream. And it just kinda, I just sit there and don't know what to do. I don't know how to say it, but I feel like a fool sometimes because, man, I know what to do actually, but I don't know how to make it happen. I know what to do, I know what I want, but I don't know how to actually do it, if you know what I mean. Because it's all about logic and shit. It kind of breaks your mind, actually. One of the most important concepts in programming is variables. A variable points to a specific memory. Okay, declaring a variable means giving it a name. In JavaScript, this is often done with let keyword. Well, cool. Let. Okay, so we can make a variable, give it a name. Yeah, I mean it's pretty similar. Oh, I gotta use cat there, my bad. Anyway, if any of you wanted to learn programming, this is a pretty good stream to watch. Now we gotta assign the variable with a value, which is hello. Hello is a string because it got the little two things over there. Wait, what? Oh, shit. Also, for any one of you who wanted to go to this website, the name is Free Code Camp. It is absolutely free. This is not a sponsor because I'm still very small, so no one is willing to sponsor me. But I just wanted to recommend this website to a lot of other people because it's really helpful and it's really fun to use, not gonna lie. It teaches from HTML, CSS, JavaScript, Python, a lot of things, actually. It's amazing, it's honestly amazing. Change your hello string to use a single quote. Sure. This is basically how you call a string with quotes, which is pretty fun. Fun thing. Okay. Console log. Console log. Console log is basically print in JavaScript. I know that already, so that's why I'm not going to do a lot of explaining because I've learned JavaScript before. When a variable is declared with the let keyword, you can reassign or change the value of that variable later on. In this example, the value programming is changed from Naomi to Camperchan. Note that when reassigning a variable, you do not use let keyword again, I know. After console log, assign the value world to your character. Sure. World. Easy. Now log your character variable to the console again. So copy this, paste. Easy. Too easy. When variable names are more than one word, oh my god. The specific naming convention, how you should specialize. Oh, so this is what we call a camel. What's the name? I forgot the name, but camel case. Yeah, it's a camel case. Basically, every word, some word, I mean, after the first one uses a capital letter at the first. I'm gonna catch up on some of the homework that was due on Saturday right now. Please do, because you know this stream is all about doing homework. We send a link to your stream to my DM. What do you mean? Use camel case to declare a new second character variable. Okay. Dungeon Master. Ooh. Thanks. Is that your Dungeon Master for D&D? Well, that's cool. I mean, how can my programming stream help with D&D? I'm conflicted. Use a console log to see what your value of your second character variable is. It's nothing. For now, it's nothing. Undefined. So yeah, it's going to be undefined because, well, it has nothing. So now we're going to assign value into this variable, which is pretty easy to do. Just do that. Make a D&D site. I don't fucking know. Headpad. I was planning to do that because, you know, I'm pretty new with D&D and stuff, but I do watch a lot of people play. I watch a lot of people play. I watch a lot of Critical Role. Critical Role, yeah. I watch a lot of Critical Role, Legend of Eventris, and also I forgot the name, but it's the one with Brennan in it. I watch a lot of people play D&D, and I know how to play it, but I never play it. I never played the game before, even though I really want to play. I wanted to make a website around it. Absolutely. Wait, no. At first, I was planning to make a game with a similar. Yo, Terran Paul. Did you just unfollow and then follow again? Anyway, I was planning to make a game with a D&D set of rules. With D&D rules, you know, the dice rolls, I don't know, the checks. But I decided that it's gonna be too much for me. Oh wait, did you finish the game you were doing? No, I haven't. I'm still working on it, but I will try work on it more, but not in stream though. So I'm gonna work on it off stream. Until then? Oh, until then. Oh yeah, I did. I finished the game. And it was really, really good. It was really, really good. Let me tell you that. That game is amazing. But yeah, man, I love D&D. Goddamn, we cried. Oh yeah, fuck me. The MC get with fuck, what her name? Yeah, Kathy. Man, only if you know. Jeff, tell him. Yo, unknown 0001101. What a great name. Hello, first time on Twitch. Welcome to Twitch. Yo, welcome to Twitch. And I'm really happy that you choose my stream for your first time viewing on Twitch. Not the best stream though. But yeah, welcome. Welcome. How are you today? So today I'm just learning programming, especially JavaScript. I'm the DM. Oh, welcome DM to the stream. Now DM you spoilers. Okay, let me remind you guys that this stream is a chill stream. It's supposed to, you know, where we chat, we have a good talk, and we do homework or maybe do something else, whatever it is. Maybe you want to plan for your next campaign, you can do it here. You know, you can plan, you can make stuff while listening to me or watching me. Your voice is so calming. Thank you. It's my morning voice. You've never heard me scream before. When I scream, it's not so calming anymore. Okay, now we're gonna make a new variable. Cool. Change your second character in Simon to Tess. Ah. Okay, so what I just did is basically assign character, which is world, into the second character, aka the new variable, and then we're gonna see it's gonna be world again. Yeah, pretty straightforward. Hear that, Terran? Chill. Yeah, we gotta we gotta specify chill, you know. It's afternoon for us. Yeah, 8 o'clock. So I'm in Indonesia, so basically 8 for you, 8 p.m. for you, 8 a.m. for me. That's why I just woke up. What programming language is this? This is JavaScript. Wait, let me pin it. Learning JavaScript. Let me pin that. I'm gonna pin that for around 20 minutes. Yeah. So I'm learning JavaScript. JavaScript is basically a back-end, a programming language that literally runs a whole website.
Thanks for the follow.
Thanks for the follow, man.
1101.
Thanks for the follow. And we are actually... I have a goal of reaching 69 followers. It will be great if I can reach that in this month. Right now we got 36. That means it's around 33 more to go. 33 followers to go. I know that I can reach that this month. I hope so. Anyway, let's continue. Okay, so leave the character. Okay, so we're gonna leave this. Oh, wait. Oh. Yeah, cool. First stream follow on my first stream with my first time on this platform. Happy it's you. First streamer. Man, thanks. Thanks a lot, actually. Thanks that, thanks for choosing me as your first streamer. And yeah, fun fact, it's actually my first time streaming programming shits too. Usually I play games or maybe do game dev, which is pretty boring. But I'm not gonna lie that my game dev stream are very boring. If you don't understand game dev at all and then you watch my stream, it can be a little bit too boring. That's why. First time twins? Sounds fun. Well, it sounds fun, but it's actually not fun. Not when I'm mauling, trying to get something to work, but it doesn't work at the end. Use the let keyword to declare profession. Profession variable and age variable. Initialize profession with the string teacher. Okay. And then we're gonna make a new variable, name it age, give it any value. Okay. How old should you be to become a teacher? I would say around 28, 25. 25 sounds good. You should not assign. What the fuck? Oh, do not assign. Oh, okay. Alright. Made a mistake. Why? I should lock. Oh, lock both of them. Jesus. Okay, so I just copy this and paste. And then paste this here. H. Okay, cool. Now that you have reviewed declaration and initialization, just remove it all. Okay. Cute avatar? Yeah. It's a cat with a top hat. And Paw is always trying to pet me for some reason. For some reason, this guy just wanted to pet me so hard every single time. Use let to declare count. Sounds like Terran. Yeah, it's just, Terran is Terran. You cannot change how it is. I steal a top hat. Do not touch my top hat. Stay away from my top hat. You motherfucker. Very boobable. What? How the hell do you read this? Boobable cat, to be honest, pulls out knife. Are you gonna stab me or Terran Paw? Which one is it? Back off, Terran. Oh, it's not me. at least it's not me. Okay, good thing. Good to know. I don't think he has a nose. I do have a nose. Look at my avatar. It's a nose, kinda. I have a nose. It's just very small. You can't see it. Boopable. Yeah, boopable. Yeah, true. Use let to declare count variable. Let count. Assign number 8. And then using a number value, you do not use quotes. Remember that, everybody. This is a string. String uses quotes, and number doesn't use them. String, integer. Remember that. Boop the snot? I do not have a snot. Come on. I'm a sophisticated, elegant cat. I do not snort. Come on. Can't you look at my fucking top hat? I'm a fancy bitch. With the number data tab, you can perform mathematical operation. Let's console.log count swan. So it's gonna be 9. Yep. You can also perform subtraction, multiplication, and division. Feel free to experiment. Blah blah blah. Oh yeah, I'm ready. I know how to do that. Come on. Deprecate. Put the top hat on your tail. No. Maybe I will try, but no. I will buy a Pamcat plush. He's very marketable. Plushie. Maybe one day I will make them. Maybe one day I will make a cat plus, aka a Pammy plus, with the top hat as an additional to it. Call me Pammy Cat. Anyway, in programming, okay, so we're gonna work with an array. Array is basically a variable on crack. Array can handle a lot of other. It's basically, you know, why assign one value when you can have 1000? That is array. You can put in a shit ton of things inside of it, which is really helpful, by the way. Assigning an empty array. Rows variable. Wait, what? Oh, rows. My bad. Pammy Cat? Because I heard Pammy Cat. Okay. Wait, there's no right way to read my name. Everything works. Pammy, Pams, Pamio, Pammy Cat, Pamcat. Whatever you wanna call me. But, well, the preferable way is to call me Pam. A lot of people could do that. Even my IRL friends call me Pam. Because my name, even though it doesn't sound anything like a Pam, but a lot of people call me Pam. Dapper Pam, yeah. That sounds cool too. That's what I will. Yeah, you know, feel free to call me whatever you want. You can even call me a cat, a pussycat, whatever, whatever you want. Okay, so we are going to assign some variables into the. We're going to assign some value into the array, which is pretty easy. You just write your value. In this case, it's string, and put a comma between them. Oh, Quincy. I write Quincy. Okay. By the way, volume check. Is everything okay? Is the music a little bit too loud or maybe too quiet? Just tell me. By the way. Because I'm not sure. Volume good? Okay. Good to know. It's perfect for me? Okay. Just tell me if it's a little bit too quiet. I actually wanted to try putting like some rain ambience sound, like rain sounds, but I think that it's gonna be a little bit too noisy. That's why I didn't do it. I'm afraid that it's gonna be too noisy. Okay, rows 0. So let me explain some little things. So over here we got an array, and we named the array rows. Inside the array, we got three values. First one is Naomi, Quincy, and then Camperchan. And then below that code, we print, aka we console log, rows 0. So why 0? Because in in a lot of programming language, we doesn't start from 1. We actually start from 0. So 0, 1, 2, and so on. So when you want to call the first value of a variable or an array, you use 0 because 0 is the first value, and then 1 as the second value. I'm gonna fall asleep if there's a rain noise. That's my sleep sound. Yeah, me too. I actually cannot sleep without any kind of, rain music or rain sounds. I usually just go to YouTube and open up one of those live rain. Those live rain that has been going on for 24/7. I just put that on a medium volume and then just fell asleep. I tried to not use that rain thing again because I'm afraid that when I, sleep with someone, wait. Oh, I just realized. Well, I mean, okay, I worded that very wrong, very badly. I just try not to use the rain music a lot because, yeah, I need to rephrase. If I have someone came over, have a sleepover or something, or maybe go into a hotel and I gotta share a room with someone, aka let's say my brother, it can be a little bit annoying if I use that rain ambience music because he doesn't use any kind of that. He's the type that, put on the eye mask and fell asleep. When me, I gotta use that rain noises. Without that, I will die. Live streaming rain must be the most unique career I know. Well, I don't know how do they make any kind of money, but I don't know if they have ads or not, because, I got YouTube Premium. Flex. But it's very cheap. Please do get a YouTube Premium. It's very good. I have a YouTube Premium, and I've never gotten any ads. If you need a white noise of some kind, say them in the chat. I would like to know everyone's preferences. I love wave noises. I've actually never tried wave noises. Cause, I'm not a big beach person. I'm more of a mountain person. So yeah, maybe I will try. Maybe I will try some wave noises. But for me, myself, I prefer rains. And sometimes I also listen to ASMRs. It's pretty embarrassing to admit. Whale noises are very fun to say as a white noise suggestion. I've heard that people say those whale noises are actually whales mating. So you're basically listening to whale fucking, if I'm not mistaken. But we didn't know. We never know. So yeah, maybe their noises when they fuck is a good thing in our ear. Use the third element of your rows array to be the number 10. Then print rows array to your console. Oh yeah, sure. So rows, we're going to assign a new value to our third element. It's pretty straightforward. Well noises. Well. Alright. I'm gonna grab some water first. Also, if any of you have any suggestion on how to make my stream more comfy and more welcoming, you can tell me. By the way, you can write it on my Discord server or maybe you can write it on chat. You know, a lot of things. You can contact me in a lot of ways. Just imagine if whales and human were reversed. Like they say, "Mommy, I need my human white noise to go to sleep." And mom says, "Okay, honey." Turns on the white noise. It sounds like. I think the clapping part is not the worst. The worst part of the whole white noise thing is that the moans, because what we listen to is basically the moans of the whales, you know. It's the moans. It's not the claps, it's the fucking moans. So basically, if we reverse the role of whales and humans, the white noise that they're gonna listen to is basically, you know, moans. I'm not gonna do the impressions because I'm gonna get banned if I do. I'm gonna get banned if I do. I really wanted to do that though, but it's inappropriate and I don't want to try it. I didn't want to say that, but was tempted. I didn't, just in case I would be punished. No, it's okay. But you won't be punished for saying something naughty. I don't know about that, but you will be, you know, punished if you say something racist or maybe just degrading someone else. But beside that thing, I think it's fine. Possibly take off the to-do part. But that's the only suggestion I have for non-dev stream. Ah, yes! Also, about that, I think I will change it now. How about if I do that now? How if I just do that now, actually? So right now, we have a to-do list with the name Evolution Mechanics. How about we change that? How about we change that? Do you guys have any ideas? So this is my stream layout, by the way. Do we change this? Chilling with chat? Sure. Seems like a reasonable way. That's a little bit too long. That's a little bit too long. I will go with chilling with chat. It's either learning JavaScript. I'm gonna make two, just in case. Learning JavaScript. Chilling with chat. I'm gonna make two. Just, you know, just in case. Oops. Wait, what the hell? Okay, so we got that one. How often are streams? Every week I will stream for a total of 4 days. In my time it's every Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Saturday. But you can check out the schedule on my Twitch about for on my Twitch schedule. You can check it out for a more detailed schedule. 1 2 1 2, so it's around, let me take 3 over here. Is it centered? I don't know. I don't think it is. I would say it's pretty centered. Okay, chat. What do you think? So, do we go with this or this? Do we go with learning JavaScript or chilling with chat? Which one should we do? I'll roll a d20. How about you roll for this? You do a roll. First you do a roll for chilling with chat, and then you do another roll for learning JavaScript. I'm gonna use which one is higher. Whoever got the higher roll count, I'm gonna take it. I'm gonna fix this first there. Oops. $11 for chilling with chat, 17 for learning JavaScript. So we're gonna go with learning JavaScript. Okay. Stream layout, PNG, stream art. Okay, let's go with it. Okay, is it updated? Yeah, it is. Okay, cool. Now we are learning JavaScript. Cool. I can just say goodbye to that. No, now we are not working on the evolution mechanics anymore. We are learning JavaScript. Yay! Just have fun, you know. Just have fun. Okay, what is this? Notice how the value inside your rows array has been changed directly. This is called mutation. As you learn more about arrays, you will learn when to mutate an array and when you should not. Before moving on, this is a great opportunity to learn a common array use. Currently, you could access the last element in the array rows too. But you may not know how many elements are in an array when you want the last one. You can make use of the length property of an array. This returns the number of elements in the array. To get the last element of any array, you can use the following syntax. Array length returns the number of elements in the array by subtracting 1. You get the index of the last element in the array. You can apply the same concepts to your rows array. Update your rows too to dynamically access the last element in the rows. Okay. Oh, I mistyped. Fuck. For now, remove the first console log and rows like leave the second rows of statement for later. Sure. By the way, what's your favorite food? What's you guys' favorite food? For me, myself, I fucking love sushi. I don't know what about sushi, but I never got bored of it. Like, goddamn, sushi is just top tier of foods. And I like the one with the fresh fish, the raw fish, like salmon, tuna, and you know, stuff like that. I fucking love them. I don't know why, but just a sashimi. Sashimi is really good. I mean, you eat sashimi, you put some wasabi on it, you know, you dip it into the soy sauce. Ah, fucking hell! What a good food. Pizza for party, but sushi all of the time. Man, I got you. I got you. Sushi is the best. And I also love pizza, but you know, it's more of a once in a month thing. If I eat pizza every week, I will fucking die. First of all, it's not good for my diet, and second of all, it's, you know, you got bored easily. Yo, I'm failing GT at magnet bio. What is a magnet bio? A magnet biology? I don't know much about American curriculums. Biology magnet class. So you do have a biology for magnets. But I thought, wait, what? What does that even mean? What? Biomagnetism is a phenomenon of magnetic fields produced by a living organism. It is a subset of bioelectromagnetism. In contrast, organisms use magnetism in navigation. What the fuck? What the hell is this? What the hell is this? Okay. I've never learned about that before. No, like you can take a special harder version of the class. That's magnet. I didn't know that. Oh, okay. Cool. American school system. Cause I mean, in my school, we don't really have anything like that, huh? We have like additional class though. You can take it if you want to. It's like we got math, programming, blah blah blah. Basically just an extra curriculum. I'm in the computer science magnet. It's fun. Ooh, so you do learn programming. What code are you learning right now? I mean, what language? What language are you learning right now? C++, maybe? Because I heard a lot of schools teach their students C++, even though I don't know why. Python. Oh, even better. Even better. Much better than C++. God damn. I also gotta learn Python one day. I used to learn Python, but I'm not really good at it. And I only learn it for fun though. So yeah, maybe I'm gonna take it, I'm gonna learn it seriously and maybe get a job in, you know, software engineering part. So right now I'm just a third. In the last few steps, you learn all about working in an array, blah blah blah. Start by declaring a cities variable. Okay, make a new variable. Okay, so we make a new variable. Let cities, and then it's an array. Cool. We got London. Man, I want to go to London. I've never been to UK before. New York. I want to go to New York too. I've never been. I've never gone to US. I really want to go. Mumbai. Okay, we got that. I wanted to travel the world, you know. I really want to, but unfortunately I don't have the money to do that. But I'm gonna work my way to get that. Same, I want to go to London and New York. Yeah, I want to go to New York for the fucking food. I really wanted to try those, you know, American pizza, the New York style pizza. I've seen it, and it's goddamn big. It is super duper big. Like, goddamn. It is huge. Even though it's just one slice. Huh. Man, I mistype again. Okay. You should try Texas barbecue. Nowhere else is better for barbecue. Man, you know the thing that I really wanted to try is, first of all, briskets. Man, I every time I see those, you know, those TikToks about them, you know, just breaking apart a brisket, god damn, it looks so juicy, smoky, and just scrumptious. I need those things. I need those briskets. And I also wanted to try those, I don't know what it's called, but it's basically a pork belly, deep fried pork belly, very crispy, looks very good, and then they dip it into some kind of avocado mix. I don't know what it is actually. I don't know the name. Oh, chancharon, if I'm not mistaken. Chancharon? No, wait. Pork belly. Charon? No, I don't know what's the name. Fuck. Okay, I'm just gonna pork belly with avocado dip with guacamole. Yeah. No. Chicharron. Yeah, this one. No. Yeah. I don't, Wait, not this. It's this one. My guy, let me tell you, about this right here. I really want to try this. My guy, the guacamole, the guac, looks so goddamn good. And not just this, actually. The thing that I really want to try if I ever got to US is the fucking fast food. Jollibee, Jollibee, yes, Popeyes, I want to go there. Taco Bell, you know, all those other things. I really want to try. I've never tried them before. I mean, I've tried Taco Bell. It's not very good, but I wanted to try it from, you know, the US. Who knows it's better? Who knows? I made the guac for my entire family. It's simple and so good. Yeah, I've seen people make it actually. It's pretty simple. You just get some scallops. Onion, maybe some garlic, avocado, lime, salt and pepper, and tomato. You basically got yourself a guacamole. Get Cane's for fast food, especially a sweet tea. Cane's? I've never heard of that. Cane's. Fast food. Cane's. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh boy, look at those chicken tenders. Man, I'm so jealous of people who got to eat this. Man. The only fast food chain near my place that sells chicken tenders is fucking Popeyes. And their chicken tenders is not as big and as juicy as this. Look at these! God damn, those sauce. Is it like a dressing? I mean, a Thousand Island and mayonnaise plus some ketchup and maybe a hot sauce? Because I really need that. Jesus. I'm so jealous, I swear to god. If I ever got to US, I'm devouring all of those fucking fast food. I'm getting the fucking KFC and everything. Oh yeah, one more thing that I really want to try is this. It's a Louisiana boil. It's a crawfish. You know, a lot of crawfish. I really want to try this. It looks so good. The seasonings and everything, the color, it's amazing. It's a secret recipe? Man, I need to try those. I need to try those chicken tenders. Man, give me that shit. Give me that. Okay, let's continue. A method in JavaScript is a function that is associated with certain values of objects. An example you've already encountered is the log method, which is part of the console object. Arrays have their own methods, and the first you will explore is the push method. This will allow you to push a value to the end of an array. Ah. Invalid. Okay. Should work. so we don't need to assign a new number. Oh, I see. Ah, okay, cool. Another method essential for this project is the pop. It's not poop, okay, it's pop. It's basically, okay, pop method. It removes the last element from an array and returns the element. When a method returns a value, you can think of it as giving the value back to you, making it available for use in other parts. Create a new variable called pop, let pop, and assign it the result of rows pop. Oh, so if you pop the, so it's gonna take the last, it's gonna take the last value of the array, and then return that value and store it into this variable. Oh, cool. Okay. I personally believe everyone should try the sauce. If I could, I would send some. Man, come on. If you send one to Indonesia, it's not gonna be a sauce anymore. It's gonna be a breeding zone for bacteria and other fungus. I don't know. Fungi. But man, I really want to try that. Fuck this. You know what? Next year, my goal is to go to US and have a great time. That's my goal. That's my fucking goal. I'm gonna go to the US. I'm gonna go to, I don't know, Texas or maybe New York to get them fucking food, you know. Get fat, maybe gain, I don't know, 50 pounds, and then come back to Indonesia. And then try to lose that 50 pounds. Because I am 99%, I believe that I'm 99% sure I'm gonna get fat once I once I got to US. Texas, then road trip to New York. Is it far? So Texas is over here, and New York is there. God damn! That is really far. 5 days? Okay, so... oh my god. Okay. And you gotta cross a lot of borders. You go to Arkansas, Missouri, Illinois, Indiana, Ohio, Pennsylvania, and then New York. Jesus. It's not that long for a Texan. You guys just got used to it, okay? Louisiana, New Mexico, Arizona, Utah, Nevada, California, Oregon. Where's Seattle? Is Seattle not a state? It's a city, if I'm not mistaken. Man, I should go to California. I got a friend here. I got a friend in South Dakota. Okay. I'm learning the US states. I'll drive are at least 10 minutes here. I mean, from Texas to New York, I don't think that is 10 minutes. That is 5 days. Maybe 10 minutes for you guys, but not for me. I got a very bad, car sickness, And road trip is pretty. Ugh. But I can try. I can manage. I fucking love having a road trip. And even though it kills me, kinda, it's still pretty fun. Or if you fly inside the US, use Southwest. They are generally good. No, I mean for everyday travel. In Texas? Damn. Montana. Yeah, cool. One day I will go to the land of freedom. And I will be free. 10 minutes every day. I think it depends on where you go though. It depends on where you go, maybe. You know, if I have a lot of money, I would just go to US and travel to each and every state. But whether it by car, or by planes, or by motorcycle, who knows? But I really wanted to travel. I really wanted to, you know, go on to a journey. Just, you know, go to every single state that I can and try their fucking food. Unless you're in New York. I mean, New York is very crowded, first of all, and the traffic is amazing. I've seen the traffic, it's something else. Alaska is going to be a wake-up call for the trip. Why? Wow. It's really beautiful. It's really, really beautiful. But I don't know if I can handle the cold though. I might die. But it's really beautiful. 50% of the year it's night. And it's freezing. Jesus, how do people live here? How do they even live there? It sounds like a torture. It sounds like a torture. Assign your ticks at your existing row push to a new push variable. Oh, I should lock my... Wait, what? Oh, 4. It let up 4. Winter is constant. Winter summer is constantly. Day, winter night, summer day. I don't know why I kept messing that up. Yeah. Wait. No. It sounds like a torture. How do people even sleep? How do people live in that place? Jesus. It sounds... To be honest, it sounds terrible. Sounds terrible. It sounds terrible. Scary, even. Wait, what? Blackout windows, apparently? At that point, do you really need a window? Do you really need a window? I mean, it's freezing cold. Even in the summer, if I'm not mistaken. Were you expecting to see 4 in the console? Push. It is important to be aware what values a method returns. Take some time to experiment with person pop. When you're ready, remove all your person pop calls and quit console. Okay. Why do I get 4? It's supposed to be 3. 0, 1, 2, 3. Huh. Okay. Did you know there is a city called Alaska? It is in Alaska. Why? Why? It's the name is so contradicting to the state. Why? My question is why? Why do you need that? It feels so dumb. They're trying to get annexed to Canada. Oh. Also, I heard that Canada is, you know, is having a crisis right now. It's not much of a crisis. It's more of a, goddamn, we got too many immigrants. So for every international students that are studying in Canada are to be expected to return to their home country after finishing their studies. And a lot of students aren't happy with the choice. I mean, with the statement that they made, even though it actually makes sense. I mean, if you have a student visa and you finish your study and you have no purpose in that country anymore, are you trying to cheat your way in for, you know, to get a fucking residency? And then the students, they protested, like a bunch of them. I think that they have no right, even though they have spent like a lot of money, but they spend the money to learn, to basically study over there, not to live there. But I don't know. Canada, I think that the government is not wrong here. It is just the students. The students were expecting a little bit too much. I'm pretty sure it's meant to be pronounced on Alaska. On Alaska, because it was a tribe at one point, but everyone pronounces it as the way it looks. I mean, who wouldn't? On Alaska. I mean, who wouldn't? I mean, if you didn't tell me that it was pronounced on Alaska, I would never know. I would still call it on Alaska. Change your rows declaration to be assigned an empty array again. Also change your hello string to use double quotes again. Okay. No. Un Alaska. No, on. Oh, I see. Un Alaska. So it's like Spanish. No? Wait, no, I don't know. The only Spanish word that I know is por favor and manzanas. I only know those two. I used to learn a little bit of Spanish, but I completely forget about it. Right now I'm learning Japanese. Do you guys have a second language, mayhaps? Tú come manzanas. If I'm not mistaken, that means you eat apples? You eat apple? You eat apple. Tú come manzanas. I'm starting to learn French. I'm learning Latin right now. Oh, I took 1 year of Spanish. God damn, it's so cool. French, huh? You know, I really wanted to learn German, but it's very intimidating. You know, German. I really want to learn that, though, German. Right now, I'm learning Japanese. It's fucking hard. Let me tell you that. It's really, really hard. God damn. Do you guys have any other language besides English that you are not fluent, but you can speak? At least it's a survival level for you. Like, if I throw you into this country and you gotta survive with this language, you can at least survive. You know? My dream is still German. By that, do you mean, do you dream in German? Or are you dream, you know, do you dream to learn German? Which one is that? Okay, cons. So, we got three kinds of variables in JavaScript. The first one we got let. Let is basically a variable that you can change the value later on, and const is a constant value. I mean, a variable with a constant value, so you cannot change the value later on. That's why the name is const, because it is constant. I aspire to learn German. None. But if you wanted to learn German, you should have because English and German are both West Germanic language. Oh, I've never heard of that before. Really? Cool. Man, you know, I don't know what lingual I am, but I can speak a lot of languages. I won't say a lot, but I can speak. Obviously, I live in Indonesia, so I can speak in Indonesian. I can speak in my mother tongue, my mother language. My mother language is not Indonesian, unfortunately. It is Hokkien. It is some kind of a branch from the Chinese, from Mandarin. Yeah, so I can speak Indonesian, Hokkien, English, obviously, because I'm talking with it right now. I can also speak Mandarin, and I'm currently learning Japanese. So if I somehow got fluent in Japanese, I can speak 5 languages. Language types exist like French and Spanish are both Romance. I don't know about Romance though. Is Spanish romantic? I know that French is romantic at all, but I don't know about Spanish. I don't know. I've never seen a lot of Spanish movies, but yeah, I know that a lot of people say, oh, I know now why. People used to watch telephone. What the fuck? Telenovia. Wait, no, not this. The movie. Oh, okay. It's about the way they are structured as a language. So it's not because of the sound, but because I assume that it sounds romantic. You know, being able to speak multiple languages actually put you in a pretty good advantage. You know, if you come to a country and you can speak their language, they are way more welcoming. Just you and me now, never mind. No, it's okay. Okay, let me use my little brain here. The moment I finish typing, more entered. Yeah, now there is 4 fever somehow. I don't know how, but yeah, that's pretty nice. Anyway, welcome for everyone who is new. Welcome to the stream. Still here, just crappy Wi-Fi. Ah, poor you. You always have the worst Wi-Fi out of out of the three of you. You're now ready to start building your pyramid generator. You character will serve the building block. Hello, okay. Done. Oh, by the way, do you have favorite accents? Maybe? Do you have a favorite accent? I mean, a lot of people like British accent. For me myself, I don't know why, but Australian accents just does something for my head. It does the tingles, you know. It gives out the tingles, the little tingles in my brain. To generate a pyramid, you need to create multiple rows, and you have to perform a task repeatedly until a condition is met. You will use a loop. There are many ways to write a loop. You're going to start with a basic for loop. For loops use the following syntax: for, iterator, condition, and iteration, and the logic. In the upcoming steps, you will explore each component of a loop in detail. For now, construct for loop that includes the terms for, okay, for, iterator, and iteration, with an empty curly bracket. Is it how I do it? Missing semicolon. Wait, what? Oh, I didn't use comma, I used semicolon. Okay. I like British but prefer French, Australian and Russian more, in that order. Russian being favorite. Why? May I ask why? Because sometimes I've heard Russians speak English and their accent sounds a bit funny. But it's cute though, it's cute. It just feels good to roll the R. Feels good to roll the R. I don't know how they sound there. I can't imagine. Because I rarely heard them. Let me try to use my brain for a little. No, I can't do it. I cannot do it. Oh, by the way, I'm gonna, be a little quiet because I gotta focus on the course itself. So I'm sorry if I didn't talk much. Remember, this is supposed to be a chill stream, so you can maybe, do your homework or maybe do a lot of other things. Maybe work, do something. With me accompanying you by your side. Your loop now need a proper iterator. The iterator is a variable you can declare specifically in your for loop. Okay, sir. And I know a lot of them because I do voice acting for my friend. Oh, you do voice acting? When I really do. I aspire to be a voice actor one day. Unfortunately, I don't have the talent, and I live on the wrong side of the globe. I was reading off the wrong Latin textbook. I don't know how can you do that. Anyway, everybody, take your time. Take your popcorn or whatever it is, and just have a chillax time. Same friends, same series. The iterator is a variable you can declare specifically in your for loop to control how the loop iterates or goes through logic. It is a common convention to use I as your iterator variable in a loop. A for loop allows you to declare this in the parentheses. Version 4, here is a for loop that declares an index variable and assign it a value of 100. I might just did something wrong. Oh no, it's true. Yay. Same friend, same series? Oh wait, are you... Try not to dox him. Try not to reveal your real name in this place, my friend. No character name. Ah. Oh, for the D&D? The voice acting. Oh, that's freaking cool. Man, I wanted to voice act. I wanted to voice act. I feel like it's really cool. When the condition becomes false, the loop will stop. Ah, okay. In JavaScript, a boolean value can either be true or false. They are not strings. They are not strings. You will learn more about the differences later on. The D&D character is Farron. Farron? Huh. Okay. Farron. It's a cool name. It's a cool name. By the way, Jeff, you do play D&D, right? What are you? What class are you? Are you a monk? Are you an elf? Are you an elf? A goblin? What are you? Bird person ranger. That's cool. That's cool. A roker. What the hell is that? Is it a raven? A raven, but basically a bird person then. Ah. Cool. A bird person. You're a bird person. Bum, bum, bum. Your iteration segment will tell you a little what to do with the iterate and each run. When you reassign a variable, you can use the variable to reference the previous value before the assignment. This allows you to do things like add 3 to an existing number. Ah. Is this not how I do it? Ugh, boring shit. It's basically the same. Come on. My favorite D&D cat that I play is a Tabaxi monk named Pagan. He has a yellow bird. He has a yellow bird pet. Ooh. Sadly, as a DM, that guy is in a different campaign. Black fur, Tabaxi monk. Oh my god, it's a panther. It's a big cat. Man, I love this cat there. Whoa. By the way, the thing that I like about monks is that when they are in their stance, they increase their armor class, if I'm not mistaken. Do they increase their armor class? I don't know, but it's really cool. And I've seen like fucking monks just dodges every single thing. They just dodges every single, I don't know, things that came to them. Without wearing armor, they have more AC. God damn. That's cool. That's really cool. So they are more nimble and agile. By the way, by different campaign, do you mean like a previous campaign but with the same player? Or maybe, you know, just different player? Different campaign, different player, who knows? But different group, they will make sense if you bring that character into the current campaign. Yeah, it makes sense. Your loops should now run 8 times inside the body of the print the value of the I iterator and see what happens. I had a dragonborn monk named Onta who deeply enjoyed eating ponies and mainly was just a stereotypical strong boy. Eating ponies? By ponies, do you mean like those small horse? Because if it is, that's kind of cruel of you. That's pretty damn cruel. Monsters get to also punch thousands of times in 1 second. So they can throw multiple attacks in 1 turn. So let's say I am a monk. And then I encounter a fucking, I don't know, an owl bear or something. And I can throw shits. Like I can throw 5? How many can I throw? Do every single punches requires a checks? Or do I just roll once and like, oh yeah, I got net 20, yay, get through the AC, and then roll for the damage? Or how do I do that? You get more deepening on your level. God damn. So give me level. Let's say level 2. Just a starter. Let's say level 2. I'm the beginner. 4. I can punch 4 times. 6. Wait, what? 6 times? At level 2? In 1 turn? In 1 turn? 6 different punches? Boy! Punches only. What's the maximum damage? What's the damage? What dice should I roll for the damage? Is it a D4? D8? I mean D6? Wait, no, there's no D4. I mean, each punch is D6 or D4. That is OP. That is pretty good. Let's say that I got 6 punches, and I mean, I got very, very lucky, and I got, let's say, 6 trees. So that is 18 damage in one turn. 18 damage in one turn. And let's say that I'm a very lucky guy. I got 6 times. That is 24 damage. I mean, that is 36 damage. It increases by 2 every level. From the 6 at level 2. So if I'm level 4, you say that I can punch 10 times in a single turn. Boy, that's very OP. That's really cool. Now if I ever get in a D&D campaign, I'm gonna be a monk, bitch. It takes something called key points. Oh yeah, I know that. I mean, usually we got like 3 key points, if I'm not mistaken. So you can't use it. Each one gives you 2 extra attacks. I see. That's really cool. That's really, really cool. Man, I don't really, I don't really know how the details about D&D actually, but I do know how to play it a little. But that's really cool. You get 1 per level. Fucking hell. So do you charge? I mean, how do I regain my key points? With a long rest or maybe a short rest? And if you have none, you still get to attack twice for free. So if I'm level 2, so that means I got 2 key points. And that explains the 6 attacks then. The rest does not matter. Wait, what? Let's say that I use up my key points in a fight. How do I regain that key points? Can I? Any rest. Any rest, just, if I just short rest and boom, I'm back with my key points, baby. That's really cool. I'll come back. Fuck yeah. Amazing. Yeah, right? And I don't have to worry about mana, too. But there are more uses for them. Man, I know that there are multiple stances that increases your AC and yada yada, and it also consumes your key points. Goes unconscious for 3 seconds. Alright, put me back in. Yeah, I mean, you can do that. If you take a short rest, how many turns that it takes from you? Just for, having a short rest. How many turns is that? 1 hour for short rest, so 6 seconds per turn. 10 turns per minute, so 600 turns an hour. 600 turns for long rest. I mean short. You shouldn't... 600 turns! Oh wow. Okay, yeah, I should not rest in the middle of battle. I should not do that, okay. Wait, I forgot how to use push. Fuck. Okay. Yeah, that makes sense. Who the fuck rests in the middle of their battle? That's really cool there. Okay. I forgot what this push. Okay, let's see. Adds new item into the array. Oh, okay. Use select to declare song. DM, you should host this week. Oh, do you guys play like every Sunday or maybe every Saturday? What time do you play actually? Also, do you guys play like offline or online? Who knows? Weekends online. Oh, that's really cool. Also, I pick Monk, because they get a speed boost if they aren't wearing armor. Ah. And they also get a higher AC, right? Without an armor. So you can be nimble and fast, but very fragile. Over Discord unless special session. Ah. It's really cool. Oh man, my neck is gonna break. Add a lock statement. And Tabaxi gets to double movement. Oh, that is the perks of the race, because you know they are cats and they are fast. They make sense. So Pecan can go faster than like Pecan. What is a Pecan? No. Is Pecan a race? Come on. Alright. Just a name? Ah, is your cat the name? I forgot. Okay. I forgot it's the name. He's a Tabaximon, yeah. He can go faster than light? Jesus. Jesus, what the hell is that cat? It's a quick cat. It's a very fast cat. It's a quick kitty. To manipulate the result string. Figuratively, yeah. Okay, makes sense. You know, when I play games like RPG games, I always go for the wizard role, and maybe if I play D&D, I will also go for the wizard. But I've seen the wizard do poorly in give me level. I'll do some math and find the max speed. Let's say level 4. It's a pretty high level, level 4, let's say. Let's say level 4. Okay, doing math. Alright, take your time. Take your time. To manipulate the result string, you will use a different type of loop, specifically for-of loop, which iterates over each item in an iterable object and temporarily assigns it into a variable. Ah. Plus 10 for unarmored movement, times 2 for dash action. That is a lot. Times 2 for feline agility? God damn. My guy, you can go across the map in one turn. Jesus. So I can basically go from the edge of the map to the other edge of the map in 1 second. I mean in one turn. 160 feet level 4. God damn. It's so fast. And so far. Jesus. Spellcasters are the hard mode classes to me. You gotta define spells and stuff. My tiny brain can't do it. That's not taking into account of key points. What can key points do? Level 20 is literally the Flash. Man, level 20, level 20, I think I can go from town A to town B in like 1 turn. Just boom. Hi, I'm here. Just 1 turn. You know, I've seen people play D&D, and I like, you know, do not get me wrong, I like being a spellcaster because it has a lot of spells, not just offense attacks, not just offense spells, but also the knowledge, and you can identify items when you have a high knowledge. I mean, it doesn't really play as a good fighter, but it is a good team. I mean, it is a good member to have in your party. It's like really cool, you know, it's really cool, I think. And one thing that I remember is from Critical Role. So Caleb, the name of this spellcaster is Caleb. So Caleb, every time he wanna fight, he's just gonna take out the chromatic orb from his pouch and shoot out fireball to the enemies. It's really cool. And also some I forgot the name. Some tiefling. There's this one tiefling. I forgot the name. It's pretty long, but I know that he can only use sword, but he couldn't get into the range to use that sword. So what he does is that spam Vicious Mockery every single time. I think that's really funny. That's really cool, man. I did my Latin homework. Yay! Congratulations, you did it. You did it. Step of the Wind takes 1 key point and makes the dash action happen again in 1 turn. So if you have, let's say, you are level 20, so you got 20 key points, and and oh boy, and you can dash 20 times if you wanted to. God damn. So you can travel from one city to another city in just 1 turn. Cool. Fucking cool, man. Remember, in your previous loop that you used for the addition operator plus 1, You can do a similar thing with string value by appending a new string to existing. For example, hello plus... oh, okay. Use the addition operator to concatenate. What the hell does that mean? Loop the addition operator to constant the row value. No. Ah. Wait, what? I don't understand. Man, I gotta use my brain for this. Oh man, I gotta go. Yeah. Take your time and I'll see you again next stream. Thank you for hanging out with me, Jeff the Hot Nerves. Bye bye. 21 times at level 20 because you can still normally. God damn. So at level 20 the top speed is, let me run the numbers. Also the speed boost for not wearing armor is at plus 30. Jesus. How don't forget the ×2 for dash action and ×2 for feline agility. That's crazy. That's fucking crazy, man. Link. I don't understand. It's just not how I do it. Hmm. 30 base plus 30 for unarmored movement, ×2 for feline agility, ×2 for the normal dash, ×2, 20 more times for the extra ones from Step of the Wind. Yep. That means 2. What the hell? 251,658,240 feet. at level 20 if you use all of your key points. And remember, that's one turn, which is 6 in the game second. What the hell? You can travel 251,658,240 feet in 6 seconds. God damn, where are you going? You should assign the result of your cock back. What the fuck? Man, I feel like I'm so dumb. What the hell? God, probably. Where are you going? Jesus. That's Packen when he grows up. A literal flash. God damn. Why? Where are you going, bro? Just zoom in. God damn. Okay. Bum bum bum, bum bum. It's pretty peaceful. His little yellow bird friend is going to have a hard time keeping up. Imagine if he just bring the bird friend with him. My guy is gonna fly. Poor guy. What the hell? This whole time? Ugh. Okay. The yellow bird is like a pet, just in case you thought it was another character. No, I know. But not treated like a pet. Packen, by the way, means black cat. That's pretty self-explanatory. So I will assume that Packen is a leopard. A leopard. Aye. That's cool. The yellow bird. Man, I know that I used to watch this campaign from Critical Role, and one of the spellcaster, the name is Caleb by the way, he has a pet, not a pet, a companion. A companion, it's like some kind of an entity. You can change its shape to whatever you want, but you need a lot of incense and, you know, silvers. So you will need a lot of money, you need a lot of coals, you need a lot of incense to be able to change the shape of this entity. So it started out as a cat, and then it turns into a raven, and then it turns back into a cat. It's really cool to watch. You know, now I miss watching Critical Role again. I have never finished watching the campaign actually. I think I will now. I will finish watching it. It's too fun. Now all of your numbers are appearing on the same line. This will not work for creating a pyramid. You will need to add new line to each row. However, pressing the return key to insert a line break between quotes in JavaScript will result in parsing error. Use a second addition operator to concentrate a new glue. Okay. Use a second addition operator to concatenate a new line in between the existing result. And add a value. That doesn't seem right, but okay. One of my players in the campaign that Jeff is also a player in, the other player is planning on nuking the whole world. Why? Because in the last campaign, they hit a bag of holding with 1 million gold inside of it that was supposed to be impossible to get. But they lucked their way to get it, and they are going to get the bag for funding. And what is the reason for nuking the world? Why? What is the reason for that? So they can nuke it for fun. So, let me make this clear. The 1 million gold is a fund for the nuke. Is that what you are trying to say? My question is, why? Why would you do that? Kill off all the characters? No, why? 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 What's fun about that? Come on, why? I'm so conflicted. Why? I'm planning on putting a bagman inside of the bag, so when they get it, they get pulled inside to be eaten. Ooh. Ah, you can do that actually. You maybe they're gonna go into a bag dimension full of gold and then fight the bagman. but only the evil player. Ooh, that's really cool. That's really cool. So you're gonna pull the bad person, the one that wanna nuke the world, and just pull the guy in. You have a bad purpose. Oh no, that's really cool. Printing numbers won't result in a visually appealing pyramid. Now that blah blah blah. Ah. The bag of holding has a pocket dimension that only the bagman has control inside. It connects to all bags of holding. It lives inside that pocket dimension. It's a real monster, so you can look it up. Oh really? I thought you made that up. And I also think that the bag itself as a pocket dimension is fucking amazing. So it's gonna pull the player and then they're gonna fight inside. Cool. Fucking cool, man. The fucking Batman. He's fucking real. Oh no, he's real and terrifying. Ugh, he's terrifying. Jesus. What the hell? The Batman. Boy. So this Batman, he can appear whenever you want to, as a DM. Let's say that they are having a little bit too easy of a time, so you can just spawn this guy into it. Well, if they had a bag, so you just can spawn it. As long as there is a bag of holding. Jesus. He's too OP. He's too goddamn OP. Has to be a bag of holding. So you gotta you gotta hold that bag. Okay. Understandable. Only that bag connects to the pocket dimension. Ah. I see. I see. And the Batman can appear anytime. That's really cool. You made me want to play D&D. You make me really want to play D&D. Now you have a series of blah blah character, but the pyramid shape is still meshing. Fortunately, the I variable represents the current row. To achieve this, you will use the repeat method available to strings. This method accepts a number as an argument, specifying the number of times to repeat the target string. For example, using the repeat to generate the string code. Use the repeat method on your character and give it the I, and give it I for the number. Let's say character dot repeat I. Oh, it doesn't do anything. Oh, it does something. Okay. The backstory behind it is an adventurer hopped inside his bag of holding to hide from danger, but you can't open it from the inside, so he got stuck. I'm happy to inspire you to play. Thank you. The problem is I have no friends. Okay, but I will find one eventually. After he got in, he slowly gained control over the poker dimension of the bags of holding. Ah, so it is an adventurer who got in he went inside after eons. And he's not dead yet. How? Is it because of the pocket dimension itself? Okay, wait. BRB, I gotta go to the toilet. Just for a second, alright? BRB. I am back. Hello. You can't die inside the pocket dimension because it preserves everything. That's why the picture. Oh yeah, I understand now. So inside the pocket dimension, you basically preserve like food. If you put in foods, it will stay the way it is, right? But I mean, if someone put in food inside the pocket dimension, can't the Batman just take the food and eat it? I mean, alright? Maybe. But that's a very, very cool mechanics though. But imagine the suffering that he must went through. The fucking hungry. Say that again, I left off bathroom too. So, if let's say a lot of adventurers got the bag of holding, right? And there must be one or two adventurer that put in food inside. Like, let's say, man, I got this hot steaming bowl of soup. I'm gonna put it inside my bag of holding so that, it stays warm and not spoiled, and I wanna eat it for later. Can the Batman take the food and eat it for himself? Maybe? Can the Batman do that? It's pitch black inside the pocket dimension because no light. So he couldn't see. He can only see exits into other bags. That's fucking cool. So it's like when we opens up the bag, a surge of light came inside the pocket dimension. And the Batman was like, hell yeah, baby. I'm getting out of here. That's really cool though. That explains when the coins. Imagine when your player wanted to open the coins and get the money, they put in their hands and then they grab something, but it's not coins. It's not a coin. When they pull it out, it's a man with skinny figure, long fingers and long hair. God damn. But he got driven insane and grew to like the bag. Fucking cool. Okay. Wow. That's really cool. Okay, so we are dealing with an insane man. Pocket dimension. It's like, I'm staying here, bitch. You can't pull me out. But I'm gonna pull you in. So it's like when the player put their hands into the bag and they wanted to get the coins, right? They grab something, but the thing that they grab feels like a stick, a fleshy stick. And then when they try to pull out their hand, they suddenly got dragged into the fucking pocket dimension, and thus the player is gone. It's fucking crazy. And boom, you are dead. Just like that. It's an insta-kill for the fucking character. Is it an instant kill? I mean, if you grab one of the player, they gotta fight the Batman alone inside the pocket dimension, and if they wins, how are they gonna get the guy out? No, but you're basically dead. Yeah. I mean, it makes sense. It's a 1v1 with a person who can control a fucking pocket dimension. Is he OP? Is he really strong? Is he like super duper strong? But even if he wins, you can't open it on the inside, so you become the next Batman if you win. And yes, he is a decent bit strong. Ah. Okay, let's say. Also, toilet break still up. Oh yeah, I forgot. Wait, my bad. Okay, thank you. So let's say that obviously I'm not alone. I got some party members that witness, you know, the Batman drag me inside. Let's say that I have 3 party members watching me getting dragged, motherfucking Batman, and I somehow defeat the Batman. Somehow. Can I, you know, with the help of my party member, can I, you know, wait for them to maybe open up the bag again and then pull me out with a rope or something? Is that possible? Is it possible to, you know, pull me out from the pocket dimension, or is it just not even a chance? That if you're in the outer layer of the pocket dimension, but the Batman lives inside the deepest part, you can only leave that area if you are a Batman. So he takes you there for the fight. Fuck me! So I'm basically dead then. No matter if I win or lose, I'm just stuck there. Unless I can control the pocket dimension, I cannot go out from there. That's fucking cruel, man. That's cruel. So it's an instant death. Or maybe you can live, or I don't know, be a Batman. It's an instant fight. It's an instant death. Are you sure killing off your player like that? Your car variable has an undefined value, even though you have defined it. It's because your pet flow function does not currently return a value. I warned him. He said, try to kill me. So I said, a fate worse than that for you then. Oh, you get what's coming for you. Fucking hell. It's so cool. My guy. I mean, he got what's coming for him. It's only natural. It's only natural. They fought something that is scarier last session, called a false hydra. What is a false hydra? What the fuck is this? Ew. Ew. The hell? So it isn't Hydra, but it's not a dragon. It's a human face somehow, some kind. Ew. Do you want an explanation? Yes, please, yes. Please do, yeah. It's really creepy. God damn. By the way, I wanted to ask you, for this campaign that Jeff is in, how long has it been for the campaign? How long has it been running? It's born from a corruption in the government. I mean, it makes sense. It does look like people with corruption. Jesus. Oh my god. This campaign 2 sessions in. But the word is already a campaign. Ah. Okay. So it's like a continuation. Oh. By the way, what level are they right now? What level are they? I mean, it's only 2 sessions. What levels? What level are they in? I mean, it feels like they progress very fast. Because I'm not used to like a fast-paced session. I mean, I watch Critical Role and they have a very slow campaign. It's like how they meet each other, how they meet their party member, and then their first travel, yada yada. It's like 100 sessions in, like 100, 200, I don't know, 200 sessions if I'm not mistaken. Declare a function name add two numbers. This function should take two arguments. First name. The false hydra, when it rises from the earth under the city, immediately sings a song. Level 7, the same character as last campaign. The song makes it impossible to think about the false hydra, so it can be in front of you but you won't notice it. Yeah, what the fuck? It can be heard throughout this whole city it lives in. It only stops singing when it eats. When a person is eaten, it becomes a part of the Hydra, so as long as you hear the song, you won't remember the people it has eaten or even why, or even if they existed. Huh, that is very strong. And how do they fight it? And how do they fight the false Hydra? I mean, do they plug their ears? If they plug their ears, that means no communication. So I got to guess like the players. It's very confusing, to be honest. It's very, very confusing on how you gotta do that. And it's really cool. Don't get me wrong, it's really, really fucking cool. They plug their ears. I mean, that is the most reasonable things to do, right? So when they plug their ears, do you cut off the whole communication to their whole teammate? One person left the town and I told them they remembered everything. God damn. That's really cool. That's super duper cool. I'm really inspired right now. They figure it out after that. Man. It's because of that one person. If that one person never left the town, the whole party will never know about the false Hydra. Jesus. Variables in JavaScript are available in specific scope. In other words, when a variable is declared determines where in your code it can be used. For the first scope in the global scope, variables that are declared outside of any block like a function or for loop are in the global scope. Get count rows variable are in the global scope, yep. Pet row. Wait, what? After it gets big enough, as in the size of a building, it fully comes out from the ground and sings a new song. The new song makes every creature make a wisdom save. If a creature fails, it gets mind controlled by the song. Oh boy. And what is the minimum and how... what should you roll to, you know, to succeed from the wisdom save? How much is it? What do you need for a save? DC 15, fuck. That's pretty high. Okay. That's pretty high. Oh boy. It's a D20. It's a D20 dice, right? So you got... oh, okay. It's pretty OP, what the hell? The mind control force, the not mind control, can be eaten by the now giant false Hydra. Can we get back the mind control force? Like, let's say that one of my party members got mind control. Can I snap him out of it? Like, wake up, you motherfucker! Can I do that? Can I do that? Variable can also be declared inside a function. These variables are considered to be in a local scope or block scope. Variable declared inside a function can only be used inside that function. Okay. Plug their ears to not hear the mind control song. Ah, so you gotta put like some carton or something and then just wake up, my guy. You are now an idiot sandwich. Just put 2 breads on their ear and then it's this. You do this. You do this to your party members. You're an idiot sandwich! After everyone who isn't mind controlled is eaten by the people under the control, leave the false Hydra and carry it to the next city to repeat the mind control and eat process. It's... what the fuck? So the people who is mind controlled will lift the Hydra. Like this heavy motherfucker. this big, heavy piece of shit, they gotta lift it and then walk to the next town and then do the same thing. My guy, that is one hell of a chore. It's an entire city of people, yeah, I understand, but still. Boy, that's actually crazy. I mean, wow. How can they think of that? This false Hydra thing, I'm really into it. Fucking love it, man. It's amazing. It has no legs and has to stay in one place without the people. Ugh. It's a homebrew, not mine. Oh, man. But still, it's really cool there. How can they think of that? How? It's popular though? Yeah. Of course it's popular. I mean, look at that. I mean, look at this. There is a lot of drawings, even like fucking the sculpture inside of it. It's really cool. I mean, I really want to know the origin though. Who made this? Still really cool though. Armor has 15 hit points. Wisdom check plus 11. Ah. Man, I don't know how you do. How do you guys be a DM? Because it feels really confusing, you know, to do everything, to drag your players into the story that you're making, and also you gotta remember a lot of things. It's amazing, honestly. I'm honestly impressed by people who can be a good DM. I have made one thing that's homebrew. Do you want to know? Yeah, sure. What it is? What is it? Is it an anime? Is it a something? What kind? It's a golem. What kind of golem? Like an elemental golem or something else? Kind of golem? What do you mean? What do you mean by that? Now, calling a variable has a value testing, but the function is no longer using the name parameter. Remove the name parameter, and then remove the campachan. String from the pet row call. Also, remove book console from the pet row function. Okay. Because your function was no longer using the parameter, changing the argument did not affect it. Go ahead and remove the test and return statement. Okay. So it's a bunch of rocks with runic lines all over it. The magic lines make the rocks float into the shape of a body. Okay, makes sense. So it's a rock golem. Do you have any kind of weakness or maybe a backstory into the golem? Is there like maybe like one piece of artifact that you gotta destroy in order to, you know, break down the golem? I mean, a lot of games do that, right? They give the really strong enemies a weaknesses that are really apparent. Because of this, it can become a humanoid shape or maybe a spider shape and more. Oh, because every single rock is controlled by the runic. Do they have like a hive mind or a single mind? You know, like what is the rock? Who is controlling the rock? Because it's really intriguing. What is controlling the rock? The thing that gives it, you know, consciousness. It can be a car too. It can be a car, it can be a lot of things. The weaknesses is its headpiece rock that holds the magic crystal inside. Aha! So there is something that, you know, acting as a mana. It's really cool. It's giving it mana. In order to know how to form a row number and row count as parameter. The circle on its otherwise featureless face shoots a laser. My guy is a Superman. He can shoot out laser? Jesus. Oh, also I wanna ask about D&D. So where do you find your players? Where can you gather this amount of players in a campaign? I know that you have 2 different campaigns that is going on right now. How do you, you know, how do you get the player? How do you meet them? Honestly, is it from school or maybe somewhere else? If hit, you take no damage, but instead of covers the target's body with the runic lines. My friends and family. Ooh. Okay. My friends show me more people who are interested. Oh, that's really cool. I mean, okay, so it's like okay. By the way, if it hits you, you take no damage, but instead covers the target's body with the runic lines. I mean, what can it do with the runic lines? Do they can control you now? Maybe make you float, or I don't know. In a function, the return keyword is used to specify a return value. Use a return term character. If you get completely covered with the runic lines, your body falls apart into rocks and becomes another one. Ah! That's why each one of the golem's humanoid forms are different sizes and shapes. Jesus Christ, so So there's not only one golem, there's multiple of them. And if you are one of the unlucky bunch who got covered entirely with the runes, you become a rock. You become a rock and turns into the golem. It's basically Medusa, but in crack. God damn. You gotta be very unlucky if you are that person. So, I mean, if you got turned into a golem, is there a way to save you, or are you just fucking dead? At that point, you just dead. Okay, start out as a new character. Hi. What happened to you after that? You just die? You can stop it before they are completely covered in the runic lines with magic. Ah. So having a spellcaster in your party is very, very good. The values you provide to function call are referred to as arguments, and you pass arguments to a function call. Here's a function call with hello pass as an argument. Pass I plus 1 and count as the god argument of Pharaoh. You should now see some bunch of characters in the console. Your pet row function is doing the exact same thing you were doing earlier, but now it is in a reusable section of its own. Use the addition operator to concentrate a single space to the beginning and at the end of your repeated character string. Remember that you could use. Use the addition operator. I don't understand. Wait. I feel so dumb. Huh. And they aren't all evil. They were made by a long-gone ancient civilization, and the players have a flying ship that is run by some of the golems. It's called a greenhouse because it protects extinct plants and animals from the time of the civilians eons ago. But some are evil. So it's like a neutral... Ah, so some of them are evil, but some of them are also good. It depends, actually. Ah, I see. That's really cool. That's really, really cool. In fact, it's more like program. By who? By the ancient civilization, maybe? Maybe? what their purpose they were given by the ancient civilization. But some are evil though, so why are they evil? So I will assume that the ancient civilization want their golem to be some good kind of spirit, I don't know. But like, it's supposed to not be evil, right? But how? How can it be evil? Is it because maybe it's protecting something, or you know, what makes them evil? I'm so confused by this. It's not really evil or good, more like the program may make them protect something. Like that a town that wasn't there, the civilization was made, so it's close. It's too close, so when the player accidentally turn them all back on, they attack. Ah. Yeah, so they are not evil. It's not really evil, it's just because they, you know, they wanted to protect something. Mm-hmm. It makes sense. I'm so confused right now, what the hell? It's been fun to talk to you. Oh, thanks. It's also fun, you know, having you here to talk with me when I'm working on these stupid things. You're my first stream. Yeah, I am honored to be your first stream, even though it's kind of boring. Even though it's kind of boring that I'm working on this thing that I don't understand. What the hell? What's this mean? The fuck? I'm stuck on JavaScript. First stream and first follow. I got a lot of firsts from you, huh? Thanks. Thanks though, really. Thanks a lot. Oh. I try to be here to watch. Thanks a lot. You know, if you wanted to take your leave, feel free to do so. I'm not forcing you to stay here. But do thanks for, you know, the attention and the small talks that you gave me. I'm really happy to have you here. And I also, after I finish this one course, obviously, I will go and take some rest. Thank you for watching. Thanks a lot. I really do appreciate that. fuck, man, I don't know what to do. So nice to talk to you, and good night for me at least. Good day for you. Good day to you. Goodbye. Yeah, take a leave. Have a good night and bye bye. You're welcome to my stream anytime, any day. Thanks for watching the stream. Bye bye. I did it. What the fuck? It doesn't work. I tried it. What the hell? I'm so confused. What the hell? Hello, blessed totem. Hello, I believe you didn't define the global variable character. I do actually. It's over here. Constant character equal hashtag. The problem is, here they say that I need to, you know, oh my god, how the hell do I read this? A single space to the beginning and at the end of your repeated character string. So the repeated character string is the row number, which is the parameter to the pad row. I like to use all caps name for the constant. Well, I can't change it actually because it is like a course from a free code camp. So if I change it, it's not gonna read it as, you know, character, so it's not gonna work. But I mean, it's a good advice from you. I just do not understand how can I, you know, do this? Because I can't make it work somehow. Use the addition operator to concatenate a single space to the beginning and at the end of your repeated character string. I did that, but still it doesn't work. Huh, I wonder why. maybe it's not here. Maybe? I don't know. Character. Confusing. It's a constant, so I cannot change that. Fuck me. Okay, I'm so confused. Maybe you should look at what the string method repeat does. Yeah, I know what it does. It repeats, let's say that the row number over here. So I got the first one. The row number is I plus 1. So in this case, it's gonna be 0 until 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So yeah, you got to 7 and count. Count as the row count. Row count is the count. In this place, count is 8. So if I change the 8 to 10, it's gonna have a lot more. Yeah, true. Now, use the addition operator to concentrate a single space to the beginning and at the end of your repeated character string. I don't really understand that. To be honest, I don't really understand that. Maybe. Maybe? No. You can do that? Oh, maybe I should try, yeah. Let me try. Interesting. Oops. Yeah, maybe it's not because of the character. Let me try that suggestion. Oh, it works! Oh, wow. Dude, huge thanks to you, man. What the hell? Huge thanks. Okay, first of all, I don't know how did that even work, because I thought that we couldn't, intervene with this character. I thought we couldn't touch this. Thanks a lot, man. Thanks a lot, really. Oh, I'm really impressed. I thought that we couldn't touch this and we should just leave it, like as it is. Turns out you can. Ah, I see now. Okay, interesting. Okay, good shit. Step 69. Nice. Nice number. Now it's time for a bit of math. Consider a 3-row pyramid. If you want it centered, it would look something like this. Yep. Empty spaces have been replaced with the interpuncts or middle dots for readability. If you extrapolate, the character remains unchanged. The plus operator creates a new string every time. Ah, and also because we are using... Wait. But look at this. They did it... Wait, what the hell? What did I press? They did it in a different way. They did it like this. It's the plus on the side and then plus on the side. They did it like that, which is, interesting. So it gives space to the character. Okay, understandable. Empty spaces have been replaced by the interpuncts or middle dots for readability. If you extrapolate the pattern, you can see that the spaces at the beginning and at the row follow a pattern. Yes. Update your blank space strings to be repeated row count minus row. Blank space strings. Huh. Ah, I see. So now it's a leaning pizza. Okay, you can pass full expression as an argument. The function will receive the result evaluating that expression. For example, these two function calls will yield the same result. Other the character. Two times row number minus 1. Whoa. Your function should pass. Huh? Oh, okay, my bad. Should be the same thing. It works now. It works now somehow. Update the character value to be repeated 2 times row number minus 1. 2 times row number, so let's say... Okay... See, so it's 1, I plus 1, so let's say 0 plus 1 times 2 is 2, minus 1 is 1. So it's pretty much the same thing. Why am I doing this? Your primary address now function as expected, but this is an excellent opportunity to further explore the code you have written. The addition operator is not the only way to add values to variable. The addition assignment operator can be used as a shorthand to min take the original value of the variable, add this value and assign the result back to the variable. For example, these two statements will yield the same result. Test equal test, Oh yeah, this one. Cool. Because you are only increasing I by 1, you can use the increment operator plus plus. Very cool. Rather than having passed I plus 1 to a pebble, you say instead of 1, this will allow you to create that loop. I prefer plus plus I. Oh, you can put the plus behind too? Whoa, it works too. You can do oh, okay. Really interesting, really interesting. Oh, I see. The pyramid looks a little funny now because you're starting to look at 1 instead of 0. You do not need to add 1 to I when you pass it onto Paro. Okay, cool. Boom. Works. Unfortunately, now the bottom of the pyramid has disappeared. This is because you have created another off by 1 error. Your original loop went for I values from 0 to 7 because your count is set is 8 and your condition requires I to be less than count. Your loop is now running I. Ah, you can do this. Boom. Easy. Comments can be helpful for explaining why your codes take a certain approach. Add a single line comment above your let's go. A loopy. Plus plus far and far plus plus in isolation are the same, but inside an expression there are a difference between the pre and post increments operators. What the hell? So there is a difference. Wait, how do I know that? Let's say in programming, particularly in Java, integer I, okay. Plus plus far increases the value immediately, but far plus plus also increase, but the evaluates as the previous value. Ah, I see. Oh, okay. The result returned by far plus plus is the value of variable before incrementing, whereas the result returned by plus var is the value of the variable after the increment is applied. I see. Interesting. Okay, interesting. A lot of things that I learned today. My brain is gonna fry. My brain is frying. I think my brain is gonna explode sometime. Same thing for the minus. Whoa. I think my brain is gonna fry. A lot of information has gotten into my brain now. It's gonna explode. Your pyramid has disappeared again, that's okay. Okay, so we're gonna do with the if statement now. If statement with the boolean true. Console.log condition true. In old times, we only had the keyword far for declaring variables in GS. We can still use far in place of let even today. Yeah, I know. There is 3 kind of variable in JavaScript. If I'm not mistaken, there is far, const, and let. Let, you can change the variable. You can change the value of the variable. Constant is constant variable. I mean, the value is constant, and variable, I don't know. I don't see a lot of people use far again nowadays. Most people just use let and const. It's really, really interesting. You see the string printed in the console because true is in fact true. If we make it false, it's not gonna print. Now the string is no longer printing because false is not true, but what about other values? It's true, because it is in fact a string. The truthy value, falsy value, blah blah blah, undefined if change it to this. Oh yeah, I forgot. Actually, keyword function also declares a variable in GS, but it stores a function instead. Yes, I do know that. I just learned that a few minutes ago. Well, not really. I mean, I do have some kind of background on programming, but not, not website. I do like game dev, so I do a little bit of programming, even though I'm not really good. But I do kind of make this game. This game over here. It's a small game using an engine called Godot with a language of JavaScript. Oh shit, they're chasing me now. So yeah, I do know a little bit about programming, just I'm not really familiar with web development. That's why I'm learning it right now. I've learned the CSS and HTML, and now I am learning JavaScript. When do function, filling variable name font, the source function reference. Don't get that, but I've heard its syntax is similar to Python. Yes, it is actually. I can show you if you wanted to. I can show you the syntax because we are using JavaScript, which have a very similar syntax to Python. See, it's really similar. So this is the variable, blah blah blah, the function, and yeah, it's pretty similar. If you wanted to print something, you just press print. I'm pretty sure I have a print somewhere hiding over here. Maybe not, but yeah, it is really similar to Python. I used to learn Python when I was still in my middle school, high school, I forgot, but I do learn Python because of that, learning this language is way more easier because I have the basic already. Func instead of def, yeah. But anything beside that, there are a lot of pretty similar things, like this print, maybe it's pretty similar. Print, evolve slime, and the function too. And the if statement doesn't need any kind of semicolon. It doesn't need any kind of curly brackets. You just kind of put in a semicolon and you're done. It's really interesting. Really interesting. Okay, let's continue with this one. In addition, if statement, yep, we got else if, blah blah blah. Okay, what are you wanna do? Below are if. Okay, we got an else if. And let's put in the condition. 5 is less than 10. 5 is less than 10. And then we print this. Oops. Sometimes you will want to run different code when all of the if, else, if conditions are false. You can do this by adding an else block. Okay. So we're gonna add an else, and then this is the else block. To see the result in the console, yeah, I can do this. Yay! If the first one is always true, so the other ifs will be skipped. So if we just change this to false, I mean if there is some condition that we can trigger to make it false, then we will call the other else if, and if this else if is also false, we can get the else. Really interesting. Oh, an empty string is always false. Forgot that. Non-empty strings are truthy. Yep. So if I just add, like, I don't know, maybe my name, and it will print condition is true. But if I just leave it alone, or maybe make it false, it will print this. And if I just do that, you can print the other one. Now that you have practiced working with if else, one, you complete that, use let to declare a continue loop variable and assign it a boolean false. Wait, what the hell? Why don't you complete that? Use let to declare a continue loop. Continue loop. And assign it boolean false, make it false. Let done 0. Oh, I should delete this, okay. JS has some falsy values, yeah, like undefined, null, and other things. A while loop will run over and over again until the condition specified is no longer true. It has the following syntax. While condition logic. Oh, okay. How do I stop that? Use that syntax to declare a while loop with a continual loop as the condition. While continue loop. Body should be empty. Okay. Falsy values are OL 0, nan, null, undefined. Sometimes, you know, having this truthy and falsy value, if you understand it really well, you can use it in like other language too. It's really fun to use actually. And you can apply the same basic and the same concept to a lot of other things. I've learned JavaScript before, but it's not like, you know, I've never learned about arrays and loops. I've only learned so far to the... I forgot what it is, but it's document body, if I'm not mistaken. The one with the JSON. On, too. On? What is that? 0n? I've never heard of that before. 0n. Right now, if you change the continue loop to true, your while loop will run forever. This is called infinite loop. You should be careful to avoid this. Infinite loop can lock up your system, requiring a full restart to escape. Ugh. To avoid this, start by using the increment operator to increase the value of down variable inside your loop. Can I do that? Yeah. 0n is a 0 suffix with n. I've never heard of that. What is that? Let me do some searching. Big integer. Big int. Value represent numeric values which are too large to be represented by the number primitive. Ah, I see. We can do const big 2n plus 5n. I see. So it's a big number. Big ent. So it is a value. It's a type too. Ah, okay. Interesting. Interesting. 0 and is also considered a falsy value in GS because it's 0. Ah, so everything that is, well, basically nothing is a falsy value. Interesting. Because it's 0. The equality operator can lead to some strange behavior in JavaScript, for example 0. Okay, use a straight operator. When done has reached the value of count, we want the loop to stop executing. Oh yeah, continue loop equal false. But an empty array is true T, but false in Python. Wait, what the hell? So in JavaScript, an empty array. So if I just make an empty array, let's say, I don't know, R. So if I just made an empty array, this is considered as a true T in JavaScript. But if I do this in Python, it's a falsie? What the hell? Oh my god. Oh no. I feel like I'm getting dumber every single day. To make your pyramid generate again, push the result of calling pet row with done and count as the argument of to your rows array. Okay. Use an if to compare R. If R console log is true T is in JS. Ah. Whoa. But in Python, it's falsy. Very interesting. Trig inequality allows you to check if two values are not equal or do not have the same type. I know. Update your while loop condition to check if done is not equal to count. Oh, I should not add the new one. Okay, my bad. Wait, what? Oh, my bad. Wait, I'm a dumbass. They wanted me to change it over here. Is it here? Yeah, it is. What the hell? So, wait, I just read your chat. So this equal this is false? This equal this is false. What the fuck? Because they occupy different places in memory? What does that even mean? An array is never equal to another array in JS. What about in Python though? Do they, if I put in the same value in an array, let's say that I put in like, I don't know, empty array equal empty array, is it true? Let me try. I'm actually curious. No way, right? False! What the hell? Okay. Oh. Alright. Since you have moved to the comparison into the while condition, you can remove your entire if statement. Oh yeah, true. Boom. Your loop is no longer relying on the continue loop variable. This makes the... oh yeah, I just gotta delete. Your current agenda is still working, however, it could be possible to end up with an infinite loop again, because you're already only checking if done is not equal to count. Update your loop condition to check if done is less than or equal to count. Less than or equal to count. Use done to track the number of rows that has been generated in functional. Arrays have a special length property that allows you to see how many values or elements are in the array. You will access this property using syntax like myArray.length. Note that rows length in the pet row call could give you an off by one error because done is incremented before the call. Update your condition to check if rows length is less than count. Python compares contents while GS compares memory address. Huh. What does that mean? What does that mean? Rows.length plus 1. So basically, because we start from 0, that's why we gotta need this plus 1. So that we start from 1. So now we can change this place to done. Wait, what? You should pass rows length plus 1. Oh. Wait. Every object creates a continuous memory block. Huh. Okay. Interesting. Huh. Each object has its initial memory address, even though the same object. The memory address is the actual value stored in variables. So that makes sense now with the arrays, because it's a different it's a different memory address, if I'm not mistaken. Very, very interesting. I'm starting to learn more when also working on this project. I mean, learning this JavaScript. Even though it's kind of making my brain goes boom boom, but it's very fun. It's very clean and functional. Look, nice work. Multi-line comment out if why should I do this? I mean, if it works, why am I torturing myself? What if you made your pyramid upside down or inverted? Time to try it out. Create a new for loop. Oh boy, here we go again. Declare iterator I and assign it the value of count. Then use the boolean false. Wait, what the hell? I don't understand. Oh. My bad. Hey, I got it. I got it. I forgot I forgot that I gotta use semicolon for this one. Yeah, I'm a dumbass. Okay, I got it. Let's do it again. For variable condition plus var. Very cool. I gotta use this. I got to use. I mean, I'm used to using this comma. Because you are going to loop in the opposite direction, your loop needs to run while I is greater than 0. You can use greater than operator for this. Set your loop condition to run when I is greater than 0. Wait, not this? Oh yeah, let's go. Your iteration is also going to be different. Instead of adding 1 to I in each loop, you need to subtract 1. So it's I minus minus. Wait, they want me to do it the traditional way. God damn. Okay. Sometimes it forces you to do something that they want it to do, you know. Push the result by calling pad rows, you know, push pad row and count. Oh, cool. You can replace I more than 0 with just I. Wait, really? Yeah, it will still work. It will still work. Cool. When I becomes 0, it becomes falsy. Ah, I see what you mean. Yeah, it's true. I see. So because it keeps decreasing the value of I by 1, so when it eventually reaches 0, it will become falsy and it will not run the loop. Ah, interesting. I can also use minus minus. By the way, what language are you learning right now? Or maybe are you a well-trained veteran? Because you're only subtracting from one I. Yeah, I know. You can use this. Ba-bam! Yay! Use a multi-line comment to comment out this loop as well to prepare for the next approach. How many approaches are we gonna have? To make a freaking... There is a lot of way to make a freaking pyramid. You can actually build the inverted pyramid without needing to loop backwards like you did. You can remove the curly brackets. Oh, okay. You can actually build the inverted pyramid. Okay, to do this you'll need to learn a couple of new array methods. When we only have one statement after the for block, curly brackets is optional. Oh, really? So I just put it beside the for block. Ah, interesting. Wait, let me try. I actually want to try. So if I just delete this... Oh my god, it works. If I put it here, will it work? It works. Oh, interesting. You can even place a statement, same line. Yeah, I just did that. Fucking cool, man. It's really cool. But will it make the code a little bit harder to read? Maybe not, right? Maybe. Numbers. Cons. So we made a new variable. The name is number. Assign an array with the elements of 1, 2, and 3. Then log the numbers array. Console.log numbers. Okay. Oh my god, what is this? Even in Python, we can place one statement in the same line after the colon. It's yes, I know that. It's like the one that I'm using in JavaScript because I use the same thing. And I thought that it's because JavaScript doesn't need the curly brackets. So I thought that, you know, it's a thing. But I don't know that you can do that also in JavaScript. I don't know that you can do that in JavaScript. It's really, really cool. It's really interesting. The unshift method of an array allows you to add value to the beginning of the array. Unlike push, which adds the value at the end of the array, unshift returns the new length of the array it was called on. Use cons to declare unshifted variable and assign the result of calling unshift. Cons unshifted and then unshift numbers. Let's say unshift past 5. Oh, interesting. Okay. So I add 1 in front of him. It has, oh, okay. Interesting. This course follows my philosophy. Always use cons to declare variables as much as possible. Let or var only when we can't use cons. Wait, is that really a thing? Just keep using cons. Because I know that, it actually makes sense. You only use let when you wanted to change the variable later. Okay, I think I understand. Ooh, I now has learned a lot of things. My brain is getting bigger. My brain is getting bigger every single day. Arrays also have shift method. This will remove the first elements of the array, unlike pop, which removes the last element. Okay. The numbers array, below the numbers, declare a shifted variable. Shifted. Assign the value of calling shift on the numbers. Shift. Oh, I read shit. Okay, my bad. Shift. On the next line, log the shifted variable onto the console. One. Nice. Cons protects us to reassign a variable unintentionally. So let's say that we have a huge lines of codes and all of the variable using cons. We suddenly forget that one of our variable has the same name as the other. So we just kind of suddenly reassign the existing variable using a new... we just reassign an existing variable and put it in a new value. And we can, you know, avoid that thing by using constant. However, const doesn't protect the contents of an object or array. It only protects the variable itself. Whoa. Oh, so that is why we can still, add. We can still add and then decrease the numbers inside the array. In order to protect the contents of an object, we use its block for some reason. It's blocked for some reason. It might be something from the auto mod. J? Okay, by the way, BRB, I gotta go to the toilet for a second. It's a little pee-pee break. Yeah, BRB everybody. I'm back, everybody. I am back. Cost number ZE will be fully immutable. The array can't be changed, neither we can assign another value to the numbers. Ooh. So it's basically like a constant array. You cannot change or do anything about it. Huh. That's cool. That's really cool actually. It's an immune array. You can't do anything about it. Oh, I'm gonna need to use that. In short, const seals up a variable and Z makes the content immutable. Ah, so if we use const and then ZE at the same time, it will protect whatever inside this, this variable and the value inside of it. So it's like an immune thing. You cannot change anything about this one. Interesting. Use an if statement to check if inferred is true. Ah. We're almost finished with the course. We now have a fully functional pyramid generator, which is really cool. Yippee! We are done with the course. We are done with the course, everybody. Let's go. We have finally finished this one course. It only took us around 3 hours and 50 fucking minutes, which is a really long time. Almost 4 hours just for this one thing. And it's really tiring. Okay, at least we have finished the course. We now have learned if and else statements, for loops. It's basically for, and then the variable, the condition, and what it does. I kinda understand it now. A lot actually. So yeah, I'm really happy that we have made a pyramid generator. Now, I'm gonna take a break. Actually, I am gonna die if I don't take it if I don't take a break. But thank you for all of you who have been watching me. Thank you to Paul. Thank you to Jeff. Thank you to Unknown. Thank you to you, Bless Soderm, for helping me with that one problem in the course 68 over here. Thank you for helping me. Without you, I don't think I can do it. But thank you very much. I will take my leave now. Thank you for watching, everybody. Thank you for hanging out with me. I will see you guys in the next stream. Have a great